Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see who viewed your Instagram story. So in order to see who viewed your Instagram story, first of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the app's icon, go to the Instagram. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your account. Then simply go to your story option at the top left. Just go to your story, click on this story option, and here just scroll down, tap on your photo and scroll down, and in this box you can see the option of no views yet. That means no one has seen my story yet. So in your case, the person name will appear in this box who has seen your story. So this is how simply you can see who viewed your Instagram story on Instagram app. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video and subscribe this channel as well, and also press the notification bell to get updated. Thank you for watching.